Hello guys, welcome back to Letter Calculus. So today we are looking at this equation. We have 1 on A plus 1 on B is equal to 1 on 13. And we are supposed to find A plus B here. Okay, so in this case, what we need to do is to multiply both sides by AB. Okay, so let's do that first. AB multiplying by 1 on A plus 1 on B is equal to 1 on 13 multiplied by 8. Alright, so we are going to get AB on A plus AB on B, which is equal to AB on 13. Okay, so here we cancel A, here we cancel B, leaving A, so leaving B plus A is equal to AB on 13. Okay, so now we need to eliminate this 13 here. By doing this, we want to multiply both sides by 13 again. So we're going to get 13 brackets B plus A, which is equal to AB on 13 multiplied by 13. This one will cancel this. So leaving 18 B plus 13 A is equal to AB. In this case, this we can group all the terms at one side. So we will get AB minus 13B minus 13A is equal to 0. Okay, so with this, we can form an equation here. Okay, by creating and destroy one and create and destroy 169 here. Okay, so we're going to get AB minus 13B minus 13A plus 169, then minus 169. So when you subtract, it's 0, which is still the same expression, which is equal to 0 in this case. So now, with this, we can say that AB minus 13B in one bracket minus bracket 13A, 13A minus 169, okay, into bracket minus 169 is equal to 0. Okay. So further simplification, I'm going to get AB minus 13B bracket minus bracket 13A minus 169 is equal to 169. Okay, it's equal to 169. Now, we are having common terms here, so you can say that B out into bracket A minus 13. Here too, the common term can be 13, which is out. A minus 13 equal to 169. Okay, let's now B minus 13 in one bracket. Then this and this take one, which is A minus 13, and it's equal to 169. Okay, now this 169, let's factor. Okay, so this 169, let's get the factors. We can get 1 multiplied by 169, and also 169 multiplied by 1, and then we can get 13 times 13, which is also 169. So we are having 3 cases here. Okay, having 3 cases. Now, let's solve it by case. So case 1, we are going to take this, which is A minus 13 into bracket B minus 13 is equal to 1 multiplied by 169. Okay, so can say that a minus 13 is equal to 1, and then b minus 13 is equal to 169. So in this case, a is equal to 1 plus 13. So a is equal to 1 plus 13 is 14. So in this case, a is 14. Now, b is equal to 169 plus 13. So b is equal to 169 plus 13. We are getting 182. So for case 1, a plus b is equal to 14 plus 182. So a plus b is equal to 196. This one. Now let's tackle the case 2. It is a minus 13. I get between b minus 13 is equal to 169 multiplied by 1. So in this case, our a minus 13 is equal to 169, and then b minus 13 is equal to 1. So a is equal to 169 plus 13. In this case, a is equal to 169 plus 13. We are getting 182. Okay, and then so it means that case 2, our a is 182. So b is equal to 1 plus 13. So b is 14. Is 2. So our a plus b is equal to 182 plus 14. So a plus b is equal to 196. Now let's continue question. So our a minus 13 bracket b minus 13 is equal to 13 multiplied by 13. So our a minus 13 is equal to 13, and then b minus 13 is equal to 13. So our a is equal to 13 plus 13. So a is equal to 26 in this case, and b is equal to 13 plus 13. So b is equal to 26. So our a plus b is equal to 26 plus 26. So a plus b is equal to 26 plus 26 is 52. Okay, this is our answer for case 3. So it means that our a plus b is equal to 196 is correct. Then a plus b is equal to 196. Then a plus b is also equal to 52. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more excited questions. Bye bye.